Hey guys, welcome back. Neil here. We are back with another video, and today we are going to talk about the current market and yeah, what am I doing right now that the market is crashing? Let's talk about pixels first. Are my earnings per day enough? Am I getting 10 or more pixels? Actually, the answer is my pixels earning is unstable, and I'm not really getting consistent 10 or more pixels per day because sometimes I'm getting this Jumibara head, and as you can see right now, it's filling the orders with these heads, and I'm probably gonna go and add more Kongyum for me to get those heads. Yeah, we have Kongyums for sale, so I think I'm gonna buy 6 of them. So later on, I'm gonna go ahead and get those heads. But yeah, some tasks are very expensive as well, like this one, bombshell for 1 pixel. I can buy it or create one, but if we're gonna check the current price, it's insane, guys. It's 26,000 coins for just 1 pixel. And I don't really suggest giving the 26,000 coins for just 1 pixel. I'm not really sure, but if you are doing it, good for you. But I'm not really into giving that much of a hard work for just 1 pixel. Right now, what I'm doing is farming coins because that is what I'm using to buy tasks. And I don't really suggest spending your energy on some low profit per energy industries. So we can see that eggs and honey is good when it comes to profit per energy. But if you are going to check mining, say for example, if you have some drills on some lands and you don't want levels, but you just want profit from it, I don't really recommend doing it or doing some mining because right now it's very low when it comes to profit per energy. Softwood is good, guys. And yeah, if you want to get consistent supply of softwood, go ahead and watch my previous video. I have some tutorial about it as well as how you can make more coins, like getting milk or producing wines. But yes, going back, I don't really suggest mining or slugger. I don't really suggest it right now given that the profit per energy is just very low. What I do recommend is make or plant some of this farming right here that are high when it comes to profit per energy. You can check the crafting and then click on profit, and then from here, guys, check the ones that require more energy and more profit. For example, we can check Granger, and as of right now, construction powder times 12 requires 60 energy, but at the same time, the profit per energy that you can get from it is very high compared to just spending your energy making Mumon, and you can only spend 10 energy per crafting. I think it's not very efficient. So Mokchok meat, this is very profitable. My mailbox here, it's full of Mokchok sales. And yes, I think it's very profitable and very chill farming, very convenient to do as well. If you haven't watched my previous video, again, you can check the link down the description. I've put this video about how you can get this Mokchok. So yeah, again, guys, focus on crafting that requires more energy but has high profit per energy, just like the construction powder right here. Pixel is down right now, and some people are probably thinking it's going to crash all the way down. But this is the normal market move, guys. And if you're gonna check the daily time frame, we can see here that Pixel is still bullish. We have here a higher high and then another higher high right here, and this could possibly become a new higher low, which could potentially become a buying opportunity for some before we go up again back to $1, or probably try to retest the $1 resistance. So yeah, as of right now, I don't think this is very bad. I think this is a normal market move. There are wicks right here. That means there is price rejection to go down even more, which we can validate once we have more bullish candles and more bullish volumes, just like what happened here. In the next few days, if we will have more buying at this zone, which I think is a very good support zone because this was the previous high that was broken. So this is resistance that turned support, and possibly we're really gonna bounce in here and go back up to retest the $1 price. We're gonna check the daily time frame. We are just retracing at this golden zone around 618 of Fibonacci retracement. And once we have more buying pressure in here, we are eventually gonna go up